Anything you want to do with a four-wheel drive, you're going to find it at this show. When you come, you'll be able to find whatever it is you're looking for, because there is everything here. One of the things that Lee and I have noticed more than anything else is the amount of beef jerky for sale and the rooftop tents. Every second supply is rooftop tents.
Now be safe by rock and roll.
You see, there's so many things you can add to it, and making life easy with the Zwift lock. So the little Zwift locks like this, you just put it into the channel, do it up, you're done. So, and that's not just for eye bolts, you can use it for jerry can holders, like it's anything you want to mount onto our stuff, you can use the Zwift locks for. These ones here are pretty cool. That's the extreme boards with the replaceable aluminium teeth. I keep my blue boards underneath it, so they're the ones I use when I do get into trouble, and these are my sort of more badge of honor, you know, like I say, it's a cooler looking one. It looks good on the white car.
They make it look pretty.
Make me look pretty, there we go, we'll go with that. So it's nice and slimline, it's under 70 kilos, so it's going to fit on most cars' roofs. Like a lot of people don't realise, a lot of utes these days only have a 75 kilo weight limit on the roof. So that one is going to keep you in the area where you're allowed to be.
Those of you who have followed along, you know how much I love the show and shine. Well, we're about to go through the show and shine, and I got to tell you, there's some special trucks in this show and shine. Let me know in the comments which is your favourite. That's a hard choice. I'll be really intrigued to know what you think.
I'll be saved by rock and roll. You can take my money, steal my car and sell my clothes. You can take the shoes I'm in, go on and take everything. You can have about everything I own. Just leave that old piano, maybe a chair, so I can sit down there and play when Well, I'll be saved by rock and roll. Well, I'll be playing in that band. Well, I'll be praying on our knees. We'll bow our heads, raise our hands. It'll shake us by our soul and praise that rock and roll. You can have my home and have the yard. Just leave my one guitar and leave me here, and I can play until the day turns dark. Take all the TV shows, go on, take all I own, and I'll be fine. I'll sit right here and pick. By God, it's good to know. Well, I'll be saved by rock and roll. You can hear them playing every evening. You can hear them playing every day, and they won't stop until they say.
Older as Optional was proudly supported by Open Road and Camp Lux. Thank you so much to our wonderful and great sponsors.
So, and praise that rock and roll. You can have my home and have the yard. Just leave my one guitar and leave me here, and I can play until the day turns dark. Take all the TV shows, go on, take all I own, and I'll be fine. I'll sit right here and pick. By God, it's good to know. Well, I'll be saved by rock and roll. You can hear them playing every evening. You can hear them playing every day, and they won't stop until they say someday we're all gonna be ringing that bell. I'll be saved by rock and roll. You can take my money, steal my car and sell my clothes. You can take the shoes I'm in, go on, take everything. You can have about everything I own. Just leave that old piano, maybe a chair, so I can sit down there and play when I'm old. Take all these things I know, even take the telephone. I heard it said so long ago. Well, I'll be saved by rock and roll. Well, I'll be playing in that band. Well, I'll be praying on our knees. We'll bow our heads, raise our hands. It'll shake us by our soul and praise that rock and roll. You can have my home and have the yard. Just leave my one guitar and leave me here, and I can play until the day turns dark. Take all the TV shows, go on, take all I own, and I'll be fine. I'll sit.
This one is really good for us. We've got a massive stand, which is nice. A bit of space. We've got a 20 by 10, which means I could bring a lot of the cars down. We've got 5 different cars here that we've been building, so it's really good to be able to show more than just 1 or 2 things. So that's what's good about this one, yeah.
Excellent. And tell me, as a content creator, what part of that process brings you pleasure? What makes Sam a better person for a
For me, it was the way it started was trying to show people how to do a certain conversion or whatever, and that's filtered through. And I've had a lot of people come back to me and be like, "Oh, you've inspired me to build this car or do this swap." And I think that's what the story's always been from the start. It's just inspiring people to build their own car themselves and tinker on it and make it their own. And I've seen that when people come and talk to me and say, "Oh, you've inspired me to do this," so that's what's the best thing for me.
Oh, you've inspired me.
These shows, man. We didn't do Sydney or Melbourne last year. We only did Brisbane, so I've had a little bit of a gap between shows. So it's good to be back. The weather, it's rained for a week, and the show comes around and the sun comes out. So it's good, man.
Do you ever see a car and go, I'd like to build that one?
I reckon the thing so far today that's caught my eye is the EC Off-Road F550.
Okay.
Just the sheer size of it is like unfathomable. Like you think you know what a big car is, and then you stand in front of that thing, and the bonnet is 7 foot tall. It's just it's gargantuan, man. You got to go see it.
Have a look. So here we are with Bree from Driven Garage, and she's attempting to rebuild this car in the time that she's here.
Obviously, mate, we love doing what we do. Like, if we weren't making videos, we'd still be going fishing and camping and fall driving. So that's great. But then seeing other people do what we do, like our Wenlock floats that we do, people saying, "Oh, we saw that and we did it ourselves and had a great time." That's really rewarding. Yeah.
Oh, very good. And a bit of an odd question, mate, Steve, but from your time as a content creator, what are you most proud of? What is the thing you look at and go, I'm pretty proud of that. I did something special. And sell yourself, mate. Give us an insight into what you're proud of.
Look, in one of our latest episodes, we finished the Wenlock River float, which is something we started probably 4 years ago now.
Yeah.
And we didn't know it was going to become a thing, but we floated down a small section of the river and then started ticking off more and more. And now we've done a 300 kilometre section of that river.
Yeah.
And that's a pretty cool thing. Yeah,
okay.
It's really great. Beyond that, I mean, it's cool to do it with your mates.
Yeah.
And it's just great fun.
I think you're probably proud of the fact you're still mates after all that stuff together. Most blokes that kill each other. Yeah.
Yeah. Don't worry, there's arguments.
This is the new Max Track shovel that we're literally launching at this show. It's a shovel and a spade, so no longer do you have to take your pick, if you get what I mean by that. You can actually have a spade and a shovel. This handle comes off, and then you can put the actual shovel handle in there instead, so it's nice and long. It's designed to sit on the top of your Max Track, so now you don't have that sort of other shovel somewhere else on the car, it's all on top of it. It's nice and flat, so when you are really diffed out in the sand, you can still get in underneath there without taking out your brake lines. Lots of stuff has really been thought off with this, and yeah, it's a cool product. We weren't too sure how it was going to go, but after day one, we've sold out of the stock we had here, and people are ordering online now. So.
One we fitted in Australia. This is a 95 watt panel, giving us around about 4.5 amps out of it per hour. So really good efficiency rate in the cells. They don't deplete with heat. You can see here mounted to the bonnet of the car, we put a decal down to protect the paint, and then we put the actual panel to the decal. So you don't need to have these panels separated with like a 10mm gap, because they have a fiberglass substrate frame in them that actually dissipates the heat. So people at shows on the West Coast, we normally say to people, put your hand on the bonnet and put your hand on the panel, and you'll be lifting your hand off the bonnet first as opposed to the panel, and that's that fiberglass substrate frame doing what it should do, dissipating that heat. Hottest new product on the market. We have them not only for bonnets, we have them for roofs and rooftop tents.
And how will people find you?
They can find us at your local TJM store, or Brown Davis, or any of our stockists, which you can find on our website at www.vehiclesolar-solutions.
Yeah, look, we didn't come to any shows last year, so this is our first show in a little while, and I think it's great to come meet all the people that support the channel, you know, support what we do. It's great to meet a lot of like-minded folks that enjoy the same lifestyle we do.
Yep.
And just seeing all the amazing things at these shows, a lot of cool cars, a lot of cool creations, give you ideas for, you know, our lifestyle and what we do.
Share this if you saw something you liked. I'd love to get your friends watching as well. That would be awesome. Don't forget, please, we've got our merch on our website, which is here. And thank you so much for coming. Final takeaways from the show. Final takeaways from the show would be the amount of beef jerky for sale, the amount of people here, and the amount of rooftop tents, and even a lot more swags. It just seems to be a lot more of a swing back to actually the camping side of it. When we first came here a couple of years ago, there didn't seem to be a lot of camping stuff, but there's now a buttload of camping stuff. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.